Don't throw away your old sweater just because you don't wear it anymore. That useless sweater can actually turn into a pair of cute, cozy, and super warm gloves. First, use the hand of the person who's going to wear the gloves. Place the hand right on the sweater fabric, then carefully trace around it. Make sure the shape looks natural and fits the hand nicely, not too tight and not too loose. Once the hand shape is drawn, cut along the lines you just made. Take your time and follow the outline closely so the edges stay clean and smooth. After cutting, you'll end up with two hand-shaped pieces of fabric. Next, flip the fabric pieces inside out. Now it's time to sew around the edges. Use a simple blanket stitch or a small curved hand stitch to go all the way around the border. Keep the stitches small and close together. The tighter the stitches, the stronger and more durable your gloves will be. When you reach the end of the seam, tie a secure knot, then trim off the extra thread to keep everything neat. After that, flip the glove right side out again. Now slide your hand inside and check out the result. You've got yourself a pair of gloves that are warm, soft, comfy, and actually pretty stylish, perfect for chilly weather or as a creative DIY gift made from something you almost threw away.